In this video, I'll show you how to attach files in Outlook. It's quick and easy. First, open Outlook and click on the Home tab. Then, select New Email. A new message window will appear where you can compose your email. Enter the recipient's email address, add a subject, and type your message if needed. Now, to attach a file, go to the Message tab and look for the Include section. Click Attach File and you'll see a few options. Recent Items shows the files you've recently used. Attach Item lets you add business cards or Outlook items. Your cloud drive attach files stored in the cloud. Browse this PC to select a file directly from your computer. Click Browse. This PC, find the file you want to send and press Insert. The file will now be attached to your email. And that's it. That's how you easily attach a file in Outlook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Outlook tips and tricks.